Found a DW4 file in an archive from older Office systems? This format comes from either Microsoft Visio or IBM's classic DisplayWrite 4 word processor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open these legacy document files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single DW4 file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. DW4. Files are document files associated with either Microsoft Visio templates or IBM DisplayWrite 4, a word processing application from the late 1980s. They contain formatted text documents, drawing templates, or other structured content, depending on which application created the file, requiring different opening approaches. DW4 files vary by source, using either Visio's drawing template format or DisplayWrite 4's proprietary document format with embedded formatting codes. DisplayWrite 4 documents include text content, character formatting, page layout, and printer commands, while Visio DW4 files contain template definitions for diagram creation. The best utility for reliable viewing of DW4 is known to be DisplayWrite by IBM. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows supports basic document visibility, though deeper editing requires proper tools. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the DW4 file and choose Open With. Prioritize DisplayWrite if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If your DW4 file will not open, do not worry. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, identifying the source. Examine the DW4 file context and check accompanying files. Visio DW4 templates appear alongside other Visio files, while DisplayWrite documents come from IBM mainframe or PC environments. File size and creation context help identify the source application required for proper opening. Next, opening Visio templates. For Visio DW4 templates, open Microsoft Visio and use File then New. From Template, selecting the DW4 file. Visio creates a new diagram based on the template stencils and styles. Modern Visio versions may require template updates for compatibility with files from older Visio releases. Finally, converting DisplayWrite files. For IBM DisplayWrite 4 documents, use conversion utilities like ABC Amber DisplayWrite Converter or import into Microsoft Word with appropriate filters. These tools translate DisplayWrite formatting to modern document formats. Manual conversion through plain text export preserves content while losing formatting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.